In this video, we'll explore how to compare trend data. Upon completion of this exercise, you will be able to use the process analyst to compare values from one pen at different times. To begin, we need to add a pen. In this instance, we want to monitor the temperature of the first tank. Locate the tag, such as TSO1 in this example, add it to the trends, and choose the tag for the pen name. In this scenario, we aim to analyze how the same tag performs across different time periods. Therefore, we will include the same tag twice. To adjust its vertical position, we need to access the properties. Select a pen, head over to Axis, and enable vertical scrolling. This configuration needs to be applied to each pen you want to move vertically. I would change the color of one pen to make it stand out more. Press and hold the pen, then drag a line vertically down the page to divide the two pens. In this exercise, we will secure both pens and select a 10-minute interval. To compare this with another tag, simply select any other tag and add it to the Process Analyst view. Additionally, I can move it back and forth, but not vertically, as the vertical axis is not enabled by default. For instance, I will change the color of the new pen to green. By analyzing the labels, we can confirm that the current data is being compared to previous data from the same trend using a 10-minute interval. If we are satisfied with this representation, we can always save it for future reference. In this instance, we will save it as a new PV file titled Compare Trends. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media.